Introducing the full line of ActivSense sensor faucets and soap dispensers from Symmons. Featuring super responsive touchless technology, ActivSense faucets instantly deliver wash cycles that can be customized by you to your preferred duration and temperature. Pair ActivSense faucets with their matching soap dispenser for a fully automatic and hygienic hand washing experience. With more than 80 years of plumbing innovation to its name, Symmons extends its legacy of durable, solid brass construction and quality with unmatched value and warranty coverage. The ActivSense collection includes 4 distinct designs to complement any commercial decor or setting. The Dia collection features a popular cylindrical shape with contemporary elements for commercial bathrooms and public restrooms. Dia ActivSense faucets and soap dispensers are available in polished chrome, matte black, or satin nickel. The Duro's bold geometric styling makes a dramatic and durable statement in contemporary bath spaces. The Duro lineup offers polished chrome, matte black, or satin nickel finishes. The Origins line blends perfectly with any location and any budget. Its smooth curves are easy on the eyes and easy to clean. Origins ActivSense faucets and soap dispensers are available in your choice of polished chrome or stainless steel finish. The Sereno collection's clean cylindrical shapes create a unique contemporary option for commercial washrooms. Sereno ActivSense faucets and soap dispensers are also offered in polished chrome or stainless steel finish. At the heart of each ActivSense faucet and soap dispenser is the highly responsive and reliable sensor technology that sets Symmons apart. No frantic hand waving needed here. The ActivSense sensor triggers operation with just one simple wave of the hand, not 5 or 10. ActivSense conserves water and energy with adjustable time durations and automatic shutoff, so you determine how long you want the water to flow. The vandal-resistant sensor module is fully waterproof and seamlessly integrated into a solid brass body for durability and corrosion resistance. All ActivSense faucets ship standard with 0.5 GPM aerators, and the Dia and Duro models also include additional 1.0 and 0.35 GPM aerators. ActivSense faucets are available with or without an integral mixing handle, depending on your water supply configuration. In the Symmons MaxLine 8210CK solid brass point-of-use thermostatic mixing valve is the compact, durable, and reliable way to supply ActivSense faucets with perfectly tempered water. Matching ActivSense soap dispensers features zero-maintenance sealed pump units that mount discreetly below the deck and out of sight. Refills are easy with simple twist-on refillable bottles that accept liquid soaps with a wide range of viscosities. Options such as 4 and 8-inch deck plates and interchangeable battery, transformer, and AC power supply choices are available to configure ActivSense faucets and soap dispensers for virtually any location. There's also an optional remote control to configure duration and dispensing. And like ActivSense, our industry best warranty will never leave you high and dry either, a full 10 years. No other sensor faucet on the market today even comes close to that level of coverage, price, or quality. The ActivSense collection of sensor faucets and soap dispensers by Symmons.